Today I'm replacing this light bulb in my daughter's Subaru Forester. It's a low beam headlight. It's a 12 volt 55 watt H11 Osram bulb. I'm going to replace it with one of these new ones here. You don't want to touch the bulb on the new one, as you'll shorten the life of it dramatically. Alright, I got a light bulb out here, a low beam light bulb on this Toyota Forester, and we're going to take the wire connector off from the light bulb by pushing this button here and pulling down on the unit. That's it. Now turn it counterclockwise. New bulb, we don't want to put our fingers on the bulb. Bulb is in. Now we turn 90 degrees down. Now I just connect the cable. And we should be good. So it took me 5 minutes to replace that bulb in the 2017 Subaru Forester. Pretty much the same with most vehicles. The part only cost me $20 as well. If I had taken this car into the dealership, I would have probably paid twice the price for the bulb and probably a flat hourly rate of at least 1 hour for them to replace that bulb. So I definitely can save a fortune by doing this type of thing on your own, and hopefully you learn from it, and maybe you don't necessarily have a Subaru Forester, but it's very much the same on any vehicle. Anyways, if you found the video useful, make sure to hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I come out with my next video. Here's a little of my flying adventures from my aviation channel. Check it out.